Good morning, all of you of class 9th of PR Public School. Today, I would like to start a problem we have learned in previous classes to finding area of triangle. You have learned all formula. Now we solve some problems of exercise 14. We see exercise 14. First of all, we see question number 1. First of all, we see your question. We have studied area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So your question is based on this formula. Here, question, find the area of the triangle whose base measures 24 centimeter and the corresponding height measures 14.5 centimeter. Here simple question, only we implement the formula. Here we see what have to given and what have to find. First of all, understand it. Here base B equal to, generally we denote base B, so base equal to 24 centimeter and height, here height is equal to, here given and the corresponding height, that is the height, equal to 14.5 centimeter. Now ये फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. So by using general formula, area of the triangle equal to half into base into corresponding height, that is a height या square units. Now we substitute half into base, that is a 24 centimeter into height, that is a 14.5 centimeter. So here we see 2, 12 into 2 equal to 24. So first of all we simplify it. Now here 12 into 14.5 centimeter square. Here unit centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square centimeter. So now multiply it. We know table of 12. So we multiply it. 12 5 ja 66. Carry over 6. And 12 4 ja 48. 48 plus 6 54. So 4 and carry over 5. 12 1 जा 12 plus 5 70. So here product of 12 into 145 1740. Here decimal place is 1, so put decimal 174.0 centimeter square. That means here area of triangle 174 centimeter square. It is a required answer. Here we see base 24 centimeter or height 14.5 centimeter. Here unit of base and height are same, but ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि बेस एंड हाइट का जो यूनिट रहेगा वह डिफरेंट रहेगा, तो इसमें हमें सावधानी बरतना है। वह सावधानी क्या बरतना है? तो बेस और हाइट का हमारा यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए। इफ इट इज नॉट इन सेम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सुटेबल यूनिट, सेम यूनिट। Here unit are same, so we do not convert it into, यहां जरूरत नहीं पड़ा है कन्वर्ट करने का, क्योंकि ये बेस 24 सेंटीमीटर ही है, हाइट जो है वह भी 14.5 सेंटीमीटर ही है। लेकिन ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि बेस और हाइट का यूनिट जो है वह डिफरेंट हो, तो वहां हमें ये सावधान होना है, वहां अलर्ट रहना है कि इस दोनों का यूनिट सेम है कि नहीं है। पहले हमें इस पर ध्यान देना है। सेम है तो हमें कोई चिंता नहीं है, किसी प्रकार का कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है। लेकिन बेस एंड हाइट का यूनिट्स डिफरेंट है, उस केस के लिए हमें अलर्ट रहना है कि वहां यूनिट हम सुटेबल जो है उसमें कन्वर्ट करके सेम बना लेंगे। देन फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, देन कैलकुलेट करेंगे और ये हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन ये करेंगे। तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन था इसका यह सॉल्यूशन है। नाउ सी अनदर क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज नेचर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सेकंड ये चेंज है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से सेकंड क्वेश्चन का हमारा नेचर कुछ चेंज है, डिफरेंट है। सो वी सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Here we see question number 2, solution. First of all, we see question number 2 carefully. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its altitude. Base of a triangular field is 3 times its altitude. If the cost of showing the field at rupees 58 per hectare, here rate is given, showing rate is given rupees 58 per hectare is rupees 783. That means total cost of sowing is also given. Find its base and height. Here given क्या है? In this question, here rate of sowing the field equal to rupees 58 per hectare and given है total cost of sowing total cost of showing. Total cost of showing the field equal to rupees 783. Here rate of showing the field given है and total cost of showing given है. So we will find the area of the field because base and corresponding altitude का relation given है. So area निकालेंगे हम and therefore area of the field equal to total cost of showing divided by rate per hectare. Here per hectare rate given है. This equal to total cost of showing 783 and divided by rate या 58. So area of the field equal to 783 by 58 hectare. Now solve it. We divide 783 by 58. Here we see 58 से डिवाइड करेंगे 783. 1 times 58. Now we subtract it. Here 0 and 2, 3. Now here we see 783. 203. So 3 times. Now ये 3 times 8 3 जा 24. 2 carry over 2 and 5 3 जा 15 and 2 174 and subtract it. 13 minus 4 9. Here 9 minus 7 2. 29. Then put decimal. Then bring down 1 0. Here we see 8 5 जा 5 times. ऐसा अनुमान लगाएंगे, एस्टिमेशन करेंगे ये कितने टाइम्स में डिवाइड होगा. सो हियर वी सी ये 5 टाइम्स ये डिवाइड होगा. पॉइंट ये 5. 8 5 जा 44 एंड 5 5 जा 25 प्लस 4 ये 29. सो हियर वी डिवाइड 783 by 58. We obtain 13.5 hectare. Now 13.5 hectare will convert into square meter. इसको हम लोग कन्वर्ट करेंगे स्क्वायर मीटर यूनिट में, मीटर स्क्वायर. सो वी नो दैट 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. So 13.5 into 10,000 meter square. Why? Because 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square and their product is 1,35,000 meter square. Here area of the field find हो गया. अब रिलेशन गिवन है बेस एंड corresponding altitude. Please concentrate here. Base of a triangular field is 3 times its altitude. So we suppose now let the length of its altitude equal to x meter, then the length of its base equal to 3x meter. 3 times of its altitude है, so 3x meter. Then and therefore area of the field equal to half into base into altitude, that is height, base into height. This equal to half into here base 3x meter and height x meter. So area equal to 3x square by 2 meter square. But area equal to 1,35,000 meter square. So this implies 3x square upon 2 equal to 1,35,000. Now simplify it. Here we see क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल करेंगे 3x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1,35,000 इंटू 2 x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1,35,000 इंटू 2 अपॉन 3. Now solve it. Here 135 is divisible by 3. So 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, and put 3 0. That is ये 90,000. X square equal to 90,000. That is x square equal to 90,000. That means 300 square. So x equal to 300. And therefore the length of the altitude equal to 300 meter, and its base equal to 3 into 300 meter, so 900 meter. Now your question is complete. Finally its base and height ये find करना. तो length of altitude, that is height 300 meter, and base 900 meter. Again we will see question number 3, because Question of nature of question 3 is also changed. Here question 3, we see question number 3. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are 42 centimeter, 34 centimeter and 20 centimeter in length. That means all sides of triangles are given. Hence, find the height corresponding to the longest side. Finally, find करना है height corresponding to the longest height. इसको find करने के लिए, for finding this, first of all, we will find the area of triangle. First of all, we will find the area of triangle. Then we will find height of the corresponding to the longest side. So we see here question number 3. Question number 3. Here all sides are given. Let A equal to 42 centimeter, B equal to 34 centimeter and C equal to 20 centimeter. Now we will find S. Here all sides are given, so we use for finding area of triangle वही है Heron formulas. We will find the area of triangle by using Heron formula because all sides are given. So we find S. S denotes, S stands for semi-perimeter. S equal to half into A plus B plus C equal to half into, here A 42 centimeter, 42, B ये 34 centimeter and C 20 centimeter. So 42 plus 34 plus 20 centimeter and this equal to half into 42, 34, 20 का सम करेंगे. Here 2 plus 4 ये 6 and 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 yeah 9, that is a 96 centimeter. So S equal to 48 centimeter. Now S minus A, here is 48, A 42, so S minus A equal to 6 centimeter. S minus B 48 minus 34 centimeter, so 14 centimeter. S minus C equal to 48 minus 20 centimeter equal to 28 centimeter. By Heron's formula, we know that area of the triangle equal to root under s into s minus a s minus b into s minus c square units. Now we substitute the value of s. Here s equal to 48 centimeter. Semi perimeter of the triangle. 48 root under s, that is a 48, s minus a, here 6 centimeter, into 6 into s minus b, that is a 14 centimeter. So s minus b या 14 into s minus c 28 centimeter. 28 ये centimeter square, because units in centimeter. Now here प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, हम लोग जो है इसका प्रोडक्ट नहीं निकालेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है तो हम बाई फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से भी स्क्वायर रूट निकालना जानते हैं, लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड एंड बाई प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो वी यूज हियर ये फैक्टर्स के फॉर्म में है तो हम इसको और फैक्टराइज कर देंगे ताकि हमें स्क्वायर रूट निकालना सुविधाजनक होगा. ऐसे प्रोडक्ट निकालने में सबका प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे, देन बाय लॉन्ग डिवीजन हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे, तो ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस हो जाएगा. आंसर तो फाइंड होगा बट ये मेथड जो होगा वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा. सो वी फैक्टराइज, हियर वी फैक्टराइज सुटेबल, ये फैक्टराइज करना है ताकि उसको पेयर, इस फैक्टर का पेयर बनाना है, पेयर के फॉर्म में आए, ऐसा यह ध्यान रखना है. अब देखिए यार 48 है, 48 को फैक्टराइज करेंगे. 48 एक हम दिखा देते हैं, ये ऐसे 48 का फैक्टराइज करेंगे. इवन नंबर है ये 2, तो ये 24 एंड 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे ये 12, अगेन 2, 6, अगेन 2 से ये करेंगे तो 3. तो इस तरीके से एटलीस्ट ये 2 के फॉर्म में भी हो गया, 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3. वी राइट इट ऑल्सो हियर 16 इंटू 3, और 16 जो है परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है, 4 स्क्वायर इंटू 3. सो वी राइट हियर 4 स्क्वायर इंटू 3, हियर 6, तो 3 इंटू 2, और इसका फैक्टर नहीं होगा. So we write here 3 एक फैक्टर है सिंगल, 3 into 2. Now 14, तो here 2 into 7. Now 28. 28 can be written as 7 into 4. That is a 7 into 2 square. 4 is a perfect square. So 7 into 2 square. Here we see 4 square, पेयर बनाएंगे 3 into 3 स्क्वायर, 3 का भी पेयर बन जाएगा. अगेन ये 2 है into 2 स्क्वायर एंड ये 7 स्क्वायर एंड 2 स्क्वायर. Here we see all factors, each factors has a pair form. So we take out each pair of 4 square, that is we take only 4. So area of the triangle equal to 4 into 3. 4 स्क्वायर, 4 का जो पेयर था ओनली 1 लिया, 3 Similarly, ये 2 into 7 into 2 centimeter square. Now we multiply this. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 40. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 2, 48. And 48 into 7. ये मल्टीप्लाई करना. So here we see 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 4, 12 into 4, 48. So 48 into 7. 7 का टेबल हम लोग जानते हैं. तो 48 into 7, तो 7 8 जा 56, 6 and carry over 5. 7 into 4, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. So 336 centimeter square. Here area of the triangle equal to 336 centimeter square. Now concentrate. What I have to find? Here we see find the height corresponding to the longest side. So first of all, we decide length of the longest side. Now see. Now length of the longest side. Length of the longest side. Here sides का length जो given है 42 centimeter, 34 centimeter, 20 centimeter. So which is longest? So clearly 42 centimeter is longest side. So length of the longest side equal to 42 centimeter. Leave the height corresponding to the longest side. The height, leave the height of corresponding to the longest side be 8 centimeter. Then area of the triangle equal to half into base into height, equal to half into here base longest side, that is a 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. But area of the triangle equal to 336 centimeter. Here he simplify it. Here 21 each centimeter square, but area equal to 336 centimeter square. So 21 h equal to 336, and therefore h equal to 336 by 21. We simplify it. डिवाइड करेंगे 336 को 21 से, ऐसे डिविजिबल भी है, 336 इज डिविजिबल बाई 3 एंड 21 इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाई 3, सो वी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट भी, एंड ये हम सिंप्लीफाई यहां करेंगे, 1 टाइम्स 21, so 2 1 6, now 6 times 126, so here 21 is 336 is divisible by 21 exactly 16 times. H, this implies H equal to 16. So height here finally, hence height equal to 16 centimeter. It is a required answer. Again we see question number here 4, 5, 6 are similar. As a question 3, all sides are given. Here question number 4, length of altitude corresponding the smallest sides. Here longest side था, here smallest sides है, so we can decide it. 18, 24, 30 centimeter. So 18 is the smallest sides, so we can find easily. Similarly, question number 5, all sides are given. Find the height corresponding to the longest side. So here longest side, ये अभी जो क्वेश्चन किया गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एग्जैक्ट उसी जैसा है. नाउ वी सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio, not a given exact length of sides of a triangle. Here ratio of sides of a triangle is given and its perimeter is given. Find the area of the triangle. Here we see question number 6. Let A equal to 5x meter, B equal to, because ये sides of a triangle are in the ratio 5:12:13 ये given है, so 5x meter, B equal to 12x meter and C equal to 13 meter, and its perimeter, its perimeter equal to A plus B plus C equal to 5x plus 12x plus 13x meter. Here we add it. 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10 0, carry over 1 1 2 and 1 3, 30x meter. But perimeter equal to, perimeter here given है 150 meter, but perimeter equal to 150 meter ये given, so this implies 30x equal to 150. Here 150 x equal to 150 by 30 means 5. Now A equal to 5 into 5 meter, so 25 meter. B equal to 12 into 5 meter, so 60 meter. And C equal to 13 into 5 meter, so 65 meter. And therefore A is equal to half into perimeter, so half into 150 meter, so equal to 75 meter. S minus A equal to 75 minus 25, so 50 meter. S minus B equal to 75 minus 60, so 15 meter. S minus C equal to 75 minus 65 meter, so 10 meter. By Heron formula, area of the triangle equal to root under S into S minus A into S minus C B into S minus C square unit. Here we see now we substitute the value of S. Here is 75 into S minus A equal to 50 meter into S minus B 15 meter into S minus C 10 meter, so meter square. Now we factorize it. Here 75 50, here we see 25 into 3, that is a 5 square into 3, 25 into 3, here 25 into 2, so 5 square into 2, here 3 into 5 into 2 into 5. Here we see 5 square into 3, one pair, so 3 square into 5 a pair form already had, and here 2 into 2 square into again 5 square meter square. Now we see area of the triangle we taken out each pair, that is a 5 into 3 5 into 2 into 5 meter square. Now we multiply this 5 into 3 15, 15 into 5 75, 75 into 10, यार 5 into 2 10 है, तो 15 5 जा 75 और 75 into 10, so 750 meter square. Here we see finally जो फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. So here area of the triangle हैं. Hence, area of the triangle equal to 750 meter square. It is a final answer. Please solve remaining questions and we collect the problems. If you had any problems, then solve next class. Thank you very much. Stay home and safe life. Thank you.